My gosh, what a grouch. We were only holding them for you so nobody would steal them.
Hi, Kaniki. What's this? A new toy of yours?
Yeah, isn't it cool?
Yeah, cool piece of junk.
If that's how you think about it, why don't you go back to your little pajama party? All the girls would get underneath you riding in a car like this.
Come on, Kaniki, I was just joking. Anyway, am I seeing you later?
What you say, 6, the Burger Palace. I'll pick you up.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
See you around, Riz.
Hey, Danny, I was just with your girlfriend.
Girlfriend, what are you talking about?
You know, Sandra D.
Hey, Kiniki, where'd you get this right anyway?
Excuse me.
No, I meant the car.
What? You mean you really expect to score in this garbage heap?
What are you talking about? This Grease Lightning.
Come on, guys. Wait until I give it a fresh coat of paint. She will go like a champion. Why, this car could be automatic. It's systematic. Why, it's hydromatic. Why, it's Grease Lightning. Grease
Grease Lightning, go! Grease Lightning, go! Grease Lightning, go!